Hi, I'm Steph Evans from Evotech, partnered with MSC Software. Here's another one of our MSC Apex quick bites, this time looking at CAD export formats.
We've got a number of different CAD export options within Apex. So typically speaking, we can export in Parasolid, STL, ASYS, IGIS and STEP. So this gives us the ability to develop geometry and export into an external CAD environment if necessary, or if we were looking at some reverse engineering from a mesh to CAD approach. So just showing here for an IGIS and a STEP export, taking the model through, and we can see the output.
I hope you found this interesting. If you'd like to develop your Apex usage, head over to our site where you'll find many online learning opportunities.